Hi, I'm Andy, the trend follower. It's Saturday, the 10th of August 2019. Welcome to this week's weekly asset class review. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow all of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and bonds. Let's look at shares or stocks first of all and see how they're doing. Now, the fund that I use to get exposure to shares has dropped down a little bit further this week. It had dropped the week before, but it's still above the green line, so I'm staying invested. At one point during the week it was right down here, which is why it's better not to look at the charts midweek. It can make me make a premature decision which might turn out to be incorrect. Let's look at property next. And again, the fund that I use to get exposure to here had dropped down midweek, but by the end of the week it had risen slightly. It's above the green line, so I'm staying invested in this property fund. Gold is next. Let's have a look at that. Another large rise in the gold price this week. This is gold priced in British pounds sterling. Of course, I'm staying invested. It's well above the green line, so I'm riding this wave upwards. Commodities are next, and as I said last week, I was expecting the commodities fund that I follow to rise above the green line, but it didn't. It's had another drop this week. It's down here now, so I'm very glad that I'm in cash and didn't invest prematurely, and I'll stay in cash for the time being. Cryptocurrency is next, and this has gone on to a new end of week high. You can see it's up here, so I'll stay on board this rising tide. As I said last week, it's gone up amazingly, so I think it's about 120% rise since I invested just a few months ago. When will this bubble end? It is in bubble territory, I think. I have no idea. I don't trade in and out of bonds, of course. I just remain invested in 3 differently denominated bond ETFs, one in British pounds, one in euros, and one in US dollars. It hedges my bets a little bit. Here are the traffic light signals for each of the asset classes this week. Shares are on a green, I'm remaining invested. Property, it's a green, I'm remaining invested. Gold, very much a green, I'm remaining invested. Commodities are still a red. Cryptocurrency is green still, I'm invested. Bonds for me with my system are always on a green. What do I have to do this week? Well, nothing at all. It's nice and simple, just how I like it. If you want to get a weekly update of what I do, make sure you're on my mailing list. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I'm doing. I'm not recommending that you do it, and make no claims about how well this strategy might perform for me or anybody else in the future. If you copy me, it might all go horribly wrong. Just regard this as entertainment. Have a great week. I will do another video for you next week. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.